Hi everyone. Today let us review towards the Cbse Chemistry New Syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. We know 30% of the portion has been reduced due to current COVID-19 pandemic and nationwide lockdown. Last day Cbse officially announced the reduced portion, revised syllabus. So let us see chapter by chapter the topics what we have to cover in this academic year. Unit 1, solid state. Classification of solids based on different binding forces, molecular, ionic, covalent, and metallic solids, amorphous, crystalline solids, elementary idea. Unit cell in 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional lattices, calculation of density of unit cell, packing in solids, packing efficiency, voids, number of atoms per unit cell in a cubic unit cell, point defects, all these topics are there. But electrical and magnetic properties reduced. Band theory of metals reduced. Conductors, semiconductors, insulators removed. N and P type semiconductors also removed. Now unit 2, solutions. Types of solutions, expression of concentration of solutions of solids in liquids, solubility of gases in liquids, solid solutions, Raoult's law, colligative properties, relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation of boiling point, depression of freezing point, osmotic pressure, determination of molecular masses using colligative properties. All these topics are there. But abnormal molecular mass is reduced. Once half factor is reduced. Unit 3, electrochemistry. Redox reactions are the EMF of a cell, standard electrode potential, Nernst equation and its application to chemical cells, relation between Gibbs energy change and EMF of a cell, conductance in electrolytic solution, specific and molar conductivity, variations of conductivity with concentration. Kohlrausch's law is the electrolysis, but law of electrolysis elementary ideas removed, reduced. Dry cell is reduced. Electrolytic cells, galvanic cells are reduced. Lead accumulator removed. Fuel cell corrosion also removed. Now unit 4, chemical kinetics. Rate of a reaction, average and instantaneous rate of reaction is the factors affecting rate of reaction, concentration, temperature, catalyst, order and molecularity of a reaction, a rate law and specific rate constant, integrated rate equations and half-life only for zero order and first order reactions are there. But concept of collision theory, elementary idea, now mathematical treatment, it was there in the syllabus before, but it is removed now. Activation energy is not there. Arenes equation removed. Unit 5, surface chemistry. Adsorption is there. Physics option and chemistry option is there. Factors affecting adsorption of gases on solid, but catalysis removed. Homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis. Activity and selectivity of solid catalysts. Enzyme catalyst. All these topics removed. Colloidal state is there. Distinction between true solutions, colloids and suspension is there. Leophobic topic are there. Multimolecular and macromolecular colloids, it is the properties of colloids, Tyndall effect, Brownian movement, electrophoresis, coagulation, all these topics are there, but emulsion is removed, type of emulsion also removed. Unit 6, General Principles and Process of Isolation of Elements. Completely, the chapter completely removed. Okay, the topic in this chapter, as per the previous syllabus, was principles and methods of extraction removed, concentration, oxidation, reduction, electrolytic method and refining, occurrence and principles of extraction of aluminium, copper, zinc, iron, all completely removed. The chapter is not there. Unit 7, P block elements. Group 15 elements, general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence, oxidation state, trends in physical and chemical properties, nitrogen preparation properties and uses, compounds of nitrogen, preparation and properties of ammonia and nitric acid. These topics are there, but oxides of nitrogen structure only it is removed. Phosphorus allotropic forms removed. Compounds of phosphorus removed. Preparation and properties of phosphine removed. Halides and oxo acids, elementary idea only removed. Group 16 element, general introduction, it is the electronic configuration is the oxidation states, occurrence, trends in physical and chemical properties is there. Then dioxygen preparation properties and uses is the classification of oxides, ozone, sulfur allotropic forms, compounds of sulfur, preparation properties and uses of sulfur dioxide is the sulfuric acid, industrial process of manufacture of sulfuric acid is removed, but sulfuric acid, their properties and uses are there. Oxo acids of sulfur structures only it is there. The industrial process of manufacture, that part is removed. Group 17 element, general introduction is the electronic configuration, oxidation states, occurrence, trends in physical and chemical properties, compounds of halogens, preparation, properties and uses of chlorine and hydrochloric acid is the interhalogen compounds. It is the oxo acids of halogen structures only. It is the group 18 elements, general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence, trends in physical and chemical properties, uses, all that topics are there. Unit 8, D and F block elements, general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence, characteristics of transition metals, general trends in properties of the first row transition metal, metallic character, ionization enthalpy, oxidation states, ionic radii, color, all these topics are there. Catalytic properties there, magnetic properties, interstitial compounds, alloy formation, but all these topics are there, but preparation of properties of potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate is removed. K2Cr2O7 and KMnO4 removed. Lanthanoids, electronic configuration is there, oxidation state is there, but chemical reactivity is removed. Chemical reactivity of lanthanoids removed. Lanthanoid contraction and its consequences is there. Actinoids, electronic configuration removed, oxidation states of actinoids removed. Comparison with lanthanoids removed. Unit 9, coordination compounds. Coordination compounds, introduction is there, ligands, coordination number, color, magnetic properties and shapes, IUPAC nomenclature of mononuclear coordination compounds is there, bonding is there, Werner's theory is there, BBT and CFT are there. But structure and stereoisomerism removed. Importance of coordination compound in qualitative analysis, topic removed. Extraction of metals and biological system, the topics removed. Unit 10, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes nomenclature is there, nature of CX bond, physical and chemical properties, optical rotation mechanism of substitution reaction is there. In haloarenes, nature of CX bond is there, substitution reaction, directive influence of halogen in monosubstituted compounds only, it is there. But uses and environmental effects of dichloromethane is removed, trichloromethane is removed, tetrachloromethane is removed, iodoform removed, prion DDT, all this removed. Unit 11, alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Alcohols, nomenclature, is there methods of preparation, is there physical and chemical properties of primary alcohols only, it is there identification of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols, is there mechanism of dehydration, is there, but uses with special reference to methanol and ethanol is removed. Phenols, nomenclature is there, methods of preparation is there, physical and chemical properties is there, acidic nature of phenol is there, then electrophilic substitution reaction is the uses of phenols, is the ethers, nomenclature, methods of preparation, physical and chemical properties, uses, all these topics are there. Unit 12, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid. Now reduction, complete chapter is there. Aldehydes and ketones nomenclature, nature of carbonyl group, methods of preparation, physical and chemical properties, mechanism of nucleophilic addition, reactivity of alpha hydrogen in aldehydes, uses. Carboxylic acids nomenclature, acidic nature, methods of preparation, physical and chemical properties, uses. All these topics are there. Unit 13, amines. Amines nomenclature, classification, structure, methods of preparation, physical and chemical properties, uses, identification of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines, but diazonium salts preparation is removed, chemical reactions and importance in synthetic organic chemistry removed. Unit 14, biomolecules. Carbohydrates, classification, aldoses, and ketosis. It is the monosaccharides, glucose and fructose. It is the DL configuration is the oligosaccharides, sucrose, lactose, maltose removed. Polysaccharides, starch, cellulose, glycogen removed. Importance of carbohydrates removed. Protein, elementary idea of amino acid is there. Peptide bond is there. Polypeptides is there. Protein is there. Structure of proteins. Primary, secondary, tertiary structure and the quaternary structure, qualitative idea only. That topic is there. Denaturation of protein, it is there, but enzymes removed. Hormones removed, elementary idea excluding structure. Vitamins, classification of and functions removed. Nucleic acid, DNA and RNA, that topic is there. Unit 15, polymers, completely removed. Nothing is there. Classification, natural and synthetic, methods of polymerization, addition and condensation, copolymerization, some important polymers, natural and synthetic, polythene, nylon, polyesters, bakelite, rubber, biodegradable and non-biodegradable polymers completely removed. Unit 16 also completely removed. Chemistry in everyday life. Chemicals in medicine, analgesics, tranquilizers, antiseptics, disinfectants, antimicrobials, anti-fertility drugs, antibiotics, antacids, antihistamines, chemicals in food, preservatives, artificial sweetening agents, elementary idea of antioxidants, cleansing agents, soaps and detergents, cleansing action, all this completely removed. From the director of Cbse, there is a circular to the head of the institutions. He is saying the important 2 points. The heads of schools and teachers may ensure that the topics that have been reduced are also explained to the students to the extent required to connect different topics. However, the reduced syllabus will not be part of the topics for internal assessment and year-end board examination. Okay, so even though it is reduced, recommended to take the topics as per the requirement. But for the board exam and internal assessment, these topics will not be there. Fine. So clear the topics and the new syllabus, right? Okay. See you in the next class.